Hey guys, Thomas with Thomas Outdoorsman. Once again out here in Bayou Vista, and I really hope that I can catch something. Switching up some lures today, and we'll see if we can catch anything. But then again, I'm pretty happy being out here just underwater. But would be great if we can get a fish. Come on, just one measly fish. Come on, you know you can do it. I might have to switch to shrimp. Oh, there's a big old fish right there of some sort. All right, come on, you trout killer lure. Come on. And there's another beautiful sunset again. No, you guys can't see it, but you've seen it before. I might have to try the shrimp. I might have to try the shrimp. Time for shrimp, time for shrimp. All right, let's see. All right, guys. Finally, we got some result here. That is awesome. Nice little flounder. I gotta let him go here in a second here, but I didn't have it taped earlier when I caught it because it was so subtle. This thing, it's just, I'm like, huh, I felt like something, but don't know what it is, but it's a nice flounder. It's awesome, guys. Finally, flounder on the wood or shrimp. Oh, we'll let him go.
It's fun to catch though.
Oh, it's awesome to catch now. Yeah. Nice, nice, nice.